Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Alright, this video is going to be for editing a contact once it's already inside of KW Command. And let's say that you went ahead and talked to your client and the phone number changed or the email address changed or something else changed that's going to directly affect the profile. So you would come over here into the profile itself. This pencil right here, that is the edit button. Just click on that and you can make any changes you want to the contact. Let's say that his email address changed to jscruff@yahoo.com. And you can make the changes within here. You can also change whatever type of tags that you have set up within your KW system as well. So you go ahead and add more tags into here. Same thing for any of the other additional contact information. If you wanted to add another social media profile, just come over here, click Add Profile, and you're good to go. Now, all of a sudden, as you got to know the person, you're like, okay, you found out that he has a son named Jimmy Scruffy. And you just put it right in there. So anything that is pretty much editable within the contact itself, it can be done right in here in the Edit Contact feature. Once you're done, click on Save. And you are good to go. And you notice right here, I put a new relationship. There's Jimmy Scruffy, his son. It's right there. So even with these two right here for his spouse and for his son, if I wanted to go ahead and put in additional information for him, I would just click on here and start adding in whatever information I knew about them. All right, everybody, I know this video is a little short, but it's right to the point. If you found value in this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell for notifications, and we will see you soon.